Okay. It is going, so let's start by saying...
Daddy, my eyes watering.
Your eyes are watery? Scientists. Oh, wait, it's already playing. Are you ready?
Ready.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Sotelas of Science. I am scientist Dr. Daddy Sotela, and this is my sidekick, scientist Dr.
Juliet Sotela.
Yes. And today's episode is the case of the bear that does not work. So recently, where did you get this bear from?
Well, my grandpa and now it doesn't work. Grandpa.
So Grandpa bought this bear, and it's supposed to light up with this button and play music with this button, but relax there, sidekick. It's not working. So what we're going to do is open it up. Sometimes...
Let's give her, Daddy, let's give her what is it when they cut their belly?
An operation?
Yeah, let's give her an operation.
So in this particular case here, you stand on the cushion there. So in this particular case, this is the music box, and it also operates power with light. And look, the switch is off. Maybe all we have to do is turn it on. Okay, so now we have the switch on. So let's try the music. Nothing happened. What about the light? Oh, I saw a little flicker of light. Maybe the batteries are low. So good thing we have our AAA batteries. So we're going to, you want to do it? Okay. Remember, lefty loosey? Yeah, very good. You're already doing it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the batteries, the old batteries, and see if this is enough to fix it. Okay? Which side goes to the spring?
Flat.
Correct. The negative side or the flat side goes to the spring.
Negative side.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the switch off.
Why? So it doesn't shock us?
Correct. That cuts out the electricity. Okay, good. Remember, you push down and then in. So you go like this, look. Wait, slow down. Look, watch me. Down, in. Okay, before we put the cover back on, let's turn it on, power it on. Okay, so let's try it again. Music? Nope. Light?
Nope.
Nope. Does not work.
Let's try this.
So now what I'm thinking is, if that doesn't work, it might be the circuit board. And if the circuit board is not good, then this means it's not good. So we're gonna unscrew. Please leave that speaker over there off to the side, sidekick.
Why?
Because we are not that far into it. But what happens is with some of these toys, if the connection gets broken, it won't hold. I hear a chicken clucking in the background of our laboratory.
I don't know what laboratory has chickens.
Well, they're experimental chickens.
What experimental chickens?
Okay, let's see.
Hi, Kick. What are experimental chickens?
They're the chickens of science.
Chickens of ginormous!
So now that I'm unscrewing all of these, like that, let's pull the screw out. Oh, where did it go? Here it is. Okay. Please keep the hardware and do not lose it, sidekick.
Why, son?
Because if we lose it, we can't put it all back together again, right?
Why?
Here's another one. And another one.
What happens if we needed need our hammer to get these.
And oops, another one. Okay, so now we have it opened. We can take a look here. And I can pull this speaker out.
And it's just breaking.
And so here's the speaker.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the speaker and that's the speaker. Now, this speaker wire is connected here on the contact points of this circuit board. So, what we can try to do, let's see. Now that this is not working, I wonder if maybe this is not powering. Okay, so let's try this. I have an idea. I'm gonna take this speaker and I'm gonna, here. So let's switch sides. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this speaker, okay. I'm gonna put this right here. And I want you to push this button once I power it on and I put this speaker to contact, okay? So first I'm gonna power it on. And then
Is that the new speaker?
This is the new speaker. Okay, so why don't you push the button again. Hold on 1 second.
Is it so?
Wait, you're moving it too much. Okay. Nope, there's no contact there, so let's switch and reverse it. Okay, and so now try it. Nope. Okay. So if it goes like this.
Maybe we need to buy something new.
You might need a whole new bear because none of it is working.
A quiet bear though.
A quiet? Well, this is a quiet bear.
It's not.
Because it's not working, that's why.
It's not a quiet bear.
It is.
When it was working, it was louder.
Yeah. And so I think, unfortunately, in this particular experiment, this is not up to snuff, as I would say, which means it is not a successful experiment. So I'm going to pop this one back. And I'm going to turn it like this.
We bought a whole new speaker.
I know that we bought a whole new speaker, but I think it's the connection that is not good.
What do you mean?
And so here,
What do you mean?
let's look
What do you mean, Psychic? What do you mean, Psychic?
I mean that the wiring, we would have to take the whole thing apart and rewire it. And the only way we could do that is if we cut the bear, all the stuffing out of the bear. And that would not be a good thing to do, right?
No. Why? That's why.
Why? Because then we'd have to sew it all back together and it would be a big, huge mess. That's why.
Let's keep it together.
Yeah, we'll keep it together and that's okay. Not all experiments end in a success, right?
What do you mean success?
It means like not all experiments work out good. Sometimes they don't work out at all.
Sometimes they work out good.
And sometimes they work out very good. But in this particular case, it did not. So, unfortunately, we tested a new speaker to see if the speaker, but right now, this power box or the motherboard, the circuit board here.
Daddy, let's buy a new motherboard.
You want to buy a new motherboard and try to reconnect the whole thing?
Yeah.
We could.
But without tearing it.
Yeah, without tearing it. Well, that'll be tough without tearing it, but we took a shot and sometimes we win and sometimes we don't win.
And sometimes we and lose.
Yeah, and that's okay. So with that being said,
Let's go to
we are signing off. Go ahead and say goodbye to our audience.
Bye, and thanks for watching.
We'll take a shot on another task at hand.